Well, we have a breaking update coming in as South Korea has now been reporting to say that North Korea seems to have fired unidentified projectile towards the sea. And according to reports coming in from Seoul, that it says that it has detected North Korea firing at least one projectile towards its eastern sea. And South Korea's Joint Chief of Staff, however, did immediately say whether the weapon was ballistic or how far it flew. But this launch is coming at a time when the US and South Korea have been conducting their annual springtime joint military exercises. The North has long described the Allies' drill as an invasion rehearsals and has often used it as a pretext to dial up its own military demonstration of weapon testing. And now this is coming at a time what we are reportedly said that Kim Jong-un seems to be also testing cruise missiles as America that has been moving the THAAD system out of South Korea. Well, what has been North Korea's message to US amid the Iran war? Because this claim is coming in from the South Korean military officials that they have been saying that an unidentified projectile was fired towards the Eastern Sea, and this is coming in from North Korean side. Well, this has been the development there amid multiple conflicts that has been taking place, and seems to be in a way of muscle flexing on part of North Korea as well, because North Korea, under the leadership of Kim Jong-un, has been test firing strategic cruise missiles. And this has now been reported as far as stressing the importance to maintain and expand a powerful and reliable nuclear war deterrent, because North Korea has been conducting strategic cruise missile tests from the destroyer as well, and several pictures that have also been shared recently of this exercise that it was carried out. And South Korea and United States, however, kicked off their annual springtime military drills, and this is the joint exercise that began on the 9th of March. And these drills are a cornerstone of US-South Korea Mutual Defense Treaty that aim to also enhance combined defense capabilities and between the two countries. However, when it comes to pushing its own front, here is North Korea, which now South Korea says that fired an unidentified projectile towards the sea. And it has now been detected at least one projectile towards its eastern sea. And the South Korean military, however, says that they haven't been able to identify whether the weapon was ballistic or how far it flew. But this launch has now been coming at a time when the US and South Korea have been conducting their annual springtime joint military exercise.